Hello, my name is Liz Deitrick. I'm from Port Isabel, Texas. On May the 10th, I had a total knee replacement, and knowing that I needed some inpatient rehab before I came home, I chose to go to South Texas Rehabilitation Hospital in Brownsville, Texas. I'd like to tell you a little bit about that. They have a physical therapy team that bar none, as far as in the valley, is probably top notch. Now, we all know a knee replacement is never fun. I have a t-shirt that says, "You'll never know how strong you are until you have a knee replacement." However, the physical therapy that I received was nothing but positive, even if the knee replacement was not a fun experience. They utilize a 6,000 plus square foot gymnasium, every kind of equipment you could imagine. They have windows on two sides, so if it's a beautiful day, you're watching it. If it's storming, you're watching it. However, you just feel like you're right outside, with an adjoining courtyard. And when you're ready to do some physical therapy in the outdoors, you can go to the courtyard. When you leave your physical therapy and return to your floor, you have a care team that is there 100% for you. And I've told several people, if there was one employee, there was a dozen that would say, "We are here for you." And they meant it. And they meant it for every patient. It was the same. I wasn't any special than anybody else. If you press that button, someone was there to see how they could assist you. And they did it cheerfully. So you've got physical therapy, you've got your care team. Now, let me talk to you about their food. I did not get the experience of their cafeteria, and this was due to COVID restrictions. Hopefully, when I go back in August, I'll be able to have that. However, food delivered to my room, and for a medical facility, I've not been in a lot of medical facilities, but this would be top notch. A friend of mine told me that their food was the best in the world. I'm not sure where he had been in the world because I don't know that it quite met that criteria, but trust me, for a medical facility, great. So you have a top-notch physical therapy team, you have a care team on the floor taking care of every need, and you have nutrition bar none. I would say make South Texas Rehabilitation Hospital your choice.